It's cafecito time! Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid, where I make videos on coffee recipes, coffee reviews, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And today I just have a quick video for you. I just made a video showing you how to descale this machine. It's clean, it's descaled, it was easy. Now we can make delicious coffee, and I just wanted to show you how to make a quick coffee Americano style with the Nespresso original machine. So make sure you stick around. Okay, so one thing with the Nespresso original machines, as I have explained before, you can only use these small espresso capsules, and it has 3 different settings that you can make: a ristretto, which is a very small shot of espresso, a regular espresso shot, and a lungo. And a lot of people like to drink bigger cups of coffee. That's why they end up with the virtual machine. But I'm just going to show you how you can also make a larger cup of coffee with the original machines. All you need is your favorite espresso shot. Today I am using the Ethiopia from the Master Origins collection from Nespresso. Your cup, of course, a bigger cup, because this is not going to be an espresso shot. Okay, so I'm going to open up my machine. So first I'm going to run just a regular shot of espresso. Make sure I have it on the right setting. So from my understanding, an Americano was invented because Americans wanted larger cups of coffee when they were visiting Europe. I believe this came about during the war. I'm not sure, not too good at history. But anyways, so what they started doing was adding more water to a shot of espresso to give you a larger cup of coffee. Not only is it going to give you a larger cup of coffee, but it's not going to be as strong and intense. If you want like a regular type of coffee, let's say just regular drip coffee you get from a regular coffee machine, this is going to be more similar to that. So once you have your shot of espresso, you can use as many shots as you want. You're going to release it, release the cup, release the capsule, let it fall into the container, close it back up, and you're going to change the setting to the lungo, which is going to give you, this machine has 3 and 4. So you can do around 3 ounces of water or 4 ounces. I'm going to do 4 ounces of water to give me a bigger cup of coffee. And the one thing I do love about the original machines, not just the KitchenAid, but all the original Nespresso machines, gives you the capability of just hot water. You can't do that with the virtual. So if you just want hot water to add to your coffee, you can do that, which I think is awesome. So we have it on the last setting, which is about 4 ounces of coffee. And I have it here. Actually, it is 130 milliliters, which is a little over 4 ounces of water. So you just press it after releasing it, and it's just going to give you plain hot water added to your shot of espresso. Voila, that's an Americano. Easy. If you've ever been to Starbucks or any other coffee shop, when you ask for Americano, that's basically what they do. They'll run a shot or 2 of espresso and add hot water to it. There you go. If I wanted to make it even bigger, I would just add more water. Let's taste it. And it's actually not going to be as strong and intense, which is okay, because regular drip coffee isn't always very strong and intense. But I do like an Americano because although it is espresso with hot water, it's a little diluted, but it still has that espresso taste to it, which I think is really, really great. So if I want to make this a bigger cup of coffee, I could add another shot and more water. And that's it. You have an Americano. So if you are not sure of buying the original machine for an espresso, because you do want larger cups of coffee sometimes, that's all you have to do. Make yourself an Americano and you have a larger cup of coffee. Yum, easy. And also I like this because if you run hot water through your cup before you make your coffee, your cup will get warmed up. You just have to run the water, rinse it out, throw it out, make your coffee, and your cup is hot and your coffee will stay hot longer. Easy, super convenient. I just wanted to share this quick video with you guys because, you know, not every video, not every coffee you make has to be a fancy full of syrups and creamers. Sometimes you just want a good black cup of coffee, Americano. Ooh, that's good. And the water does come out very, very hot. So I could even see myself using this for tea. Just make sure that you don't have a capsule in there. Run the water once or twice just so it'll clear out any coffee. And you could make yourself hot water for some tea possibly. Who knows? So many possibilities. But anyways, that's it. It does drip a little bit sometimes. That's it, guys. I just wanted to show you how to make a quick Americano style coffee with your original Nespresso machine. And if you enjoy this video, find it helpful, useful, please give us a thumbs up. Share videos with all your friends and family who might enjoy it or who are also coffee lovers. And don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, go hit the subscribe, turn on the notifications, and that's it. Thanks everyone for watching. Thank you for your time and your comments. Let me know if you are a fan of Americano coffees, if you make them at home or order them when you go out for coffee. For the longest time, I had no idea what they were. And then once I found out and tasted them, it actually became one of my favorites. So that's it. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.